Ever wondered how faceless YouTube and TikTok pages rake in millions of views? Like 50 million, 80 million, even 100 million without showing a single face? Or how creators are earning thousands of dollars a day posting cute, funny clips? Here's the jaw-dropping truth. One account made 1.74 million views on a single video. Another hit 3.4 million followers, and guess what? They all use the same secret formula. I'm talking free tools, zero fancy equipment, and a step-by-step system that anyone can copy. But here's the kicker. One guy turned this into a course, banked thousands daily, and half his 3.1 million followers bought it. Crazy, right? Stick with me, because in 30 seconds, I'll show you exactly how to do this yourself. No fluff, no lies. Miss 1 second, and you'll lose the golden secret. Ready? Let's go. But here's the biggest secret. These videos aren't just unique and funny. They're scientifically designed to hook viewers and never let go. Take that viral video with 174 million views. I'll show you exactly how to remake it right now.
Before we get started, let me share something exciting with you. If you are tired of spending hours making long videos and not getting the views you want on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, this tool is just what you need. It's called Nexus Clip, and it's a total game changer. With this amazing AI tool, you can easily turn your long videos into short, catchy ones that get more views. You can also add automatic subtitles with just one click to make your video stand out even more. And here is the best part. Once you've edited your video, just click the share button to download it. Nexus Clip will even create the title, description, and category for you. No extra effort is needed. You can directly upload your shorts or TikToks without even opening those apps. This tool makes everything so easy and fast. Now that you know about Nexus Clip, let's get started with today's video.
Step 1. Find the video on TikTok and screenshot the opening scene. Don't know how to screenshot? Just Google screenshot extension. Free tools, no excuses. Step 2. Upload that screenshot to ChatGPT. Click the plus icon, drag it in. After uploading the screenshot, you have to give this prompt to ChatGPT. And boom, it'll spit out a killer prompt in seconds. I've even put the exact prompt I use in the description below. Copy it, paste it, done. But wait, there's a trap here most people miss. If you skip the next step, your video will flop. Stay close, I'll reveal it. Open a new tab and go to Ideagram AI. Sign up or log in to access the tool. Once inside, go to the creation section and enter your prompt to generate an AI image. For the best results, make sure to turn on the magic prompt option. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16. And then click the generate button. After a few seconds, Ideagram AI will create unique images for you. If you don't like the result, go back to ChatGPT and ask for a better prompt, then try again. Once you're happy with the final image, click the download button and save it to your device. Now we're ready for the next step, turning this image into a viral video. Now that we have our AI-generated image, it's time to convert it into a video. To convert your image into a video, you first need a special prompt. Open ChatGPT and enter the prompt I've provided in the description. After entering it, ChatGPT will generate a unique prompt for you. Simply copy this prompt and use it in the next step to create a high-quality AI video. This ensures your video looks unique, engaging, and professional. Let's convert your image into a video. Open Kling AI and log in. Once inside, look for the AI video option and click on it. Now upload the image we created using Ideagram AI. After uploading, you'll see different effect options. Choose the accordingly effect or any other effect that suits your video. You have to copy the ChatGPT video prompt and paste in the prompt box of Kling AI, and you can also adjust the duration of the video to match your needs. Once everything looks good, click on the Generate button. Your AI-powered video will be ready. In the next step, we'll add lip sync and sound effects to make it even more engaging. To make your video even better, you need to download a relevant video from TikTok that matches the style of the video you're creating. This will allow you to use the exact audio from that TikTok video in your project. Simply copy the link of the TikTok video and download it using any TikTok downloader. Once downloaded, you can extract the audio and use it in your project to keep the video engaging and aligned with trending sounds. This step will help make your video feel more natural and increase its chances of going viral. Now let's do some final editing in CapCut. Open a new project, import your video, and add it to the timeline. You'll notice a watermark from Kling AI. Simply zoom in a little to remove it. After that, you can enhance your video by adding effects or color grading to make it look more professional. Once you're happy with the final result, click the export button in the top corner, and your video will be ready. I have added links to all the AI tools and prompts in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.